Hello viewers, in this video we will discussing about the air quality with the real-time API which are good, satisfy, moderator, poor, very poor and survive. You can see this approach of the air quality. We are living in the modern societies, we industrial areas, so it is very important for the our life. We are in if air quality is not unhealthy, so your life is be destroyed. Okay, and this small effect we creating one simple GUI based Python air quality informational video, so you can see it. I will put here some simple description and one snap for the ranges of the air quality. So let's start. We need two modules. So first, beautiful soap, then request. You hit the request for the URL, then get the data with the HTML file and XML file. So let's start. We are going to the our one file. Here is our three libraries we already discussed. Then you uh, put the URL which we get data from this URL weather API. So you can see here our air quality API. So we extract data from here. Here our currently environmental data. You can see it. Uh, Today air quality is very poor, so you can see it. Then here our PM, uh, then ozone, PM10, CO carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, and nitrogen dioxide. So we go to our algorithm. So here one class create, just put here link, then split the all parameters. You can see the we put the ranges from the 50 to 100. Then here our mention the TQ format, then labeling of each information, then creating class of the labeling using the width entry, how much value will be show. Here our loop for working continuously. uh, then go to the your terminal. If you are Mac user, if Windows user, Linux user, it's very simple project process and project. Just run Python. I am already used Python 3.8.8. So if you do not install Python MH, you run this command first, beautiful soap, then run this command. So I am already install my requirements. So second library, we are already installed this library. Just Python, run file name is air evolution .py. You can see the result, air quality. Just press the click button, check, you get result. Very poor. You can see the today air quality is 200, ozone, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, PM particles 2.5 and 10, and carbon monoxide remark is very poor. So I hope you like it. Please support our channel for more getting informational updates.